3 reasons kung bakit magandang mag-invest in the stock markets. And you will be shocked kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, safety. You are invested in a giant company. Kaya even if you close your eyes and open them after 50 years, nandyan pa rin ang investment mo. Number 2, growth. Dahil isa kang shareholder ng company, ay magkakaroon ka ng hati sa profits na kinikita ng company kahit wala ka sa daily operations ng negosyo. Number 1, affordability. For as low as 1,000 pesos, you can already start buying shares of stocks in the Philippines' largest companies. Kapatid, investing is not just for the rich. It is for everybody. See you on my next video.